Title this one Message to the Jamaican Minister of Sports or to whom it may concern. I hear talking about politics and religion. I think that those are the two biggest separation of people. Alright, Jamaica been on the world stage a lot recently when it comes to sports. Whether it be track and field, netball, sunshine girls, reggae boys, cricket. We are everything we in about sports on the world stage, right? You check YouTube, all these international channels, big sporting channels, ESPN, millions of views and all these stuff. Which leads me to ask the question, why is the Jamaican government not investing in sport a lot more on the local level and the community level? Is there any parish leagues on a large scale when it comes to netball, football, aka soccer, cricket, basketball, whatever sport it might be? Why we don't have parish league? We have any Westmoreland Cup, Trelawney Cup, St. James Cup, Hanover Cup? Think about it. If we have YouTube channels for all these parishes, and I just recently do a video how much thousands of dollars US can be made from just a million views. How many people in the Jamaican diaspora based on Jamaica Global Online? US 1.7 million, UK 800,000, Canada 300,000, other 200,000, and this date, what date is this? Yeah, from 2020, I believe. So about 3 million that come up to, right? And we know how Jamaica move the needle on a scale when it comes to anything we want to do, good or bad. So imagine if each parish have their own YouTube channel breakdown in sports, right? Everything is done on a donation model. Everybody has support and very transparent. We have website where we can see donation transparent. We see how every single dollar is spent. So what if the government put $1 million US into each parish, get these fields and all these stuff up to playable par, create some free concert, which we have big artists from a lot of these parishes, keep big stage show, get on all these platforms and create some donation model, right? 3 million people there in Jamaica, 3 million people all over in the diaspora, plus friends, right? Plus who neutralize citizen or whatever the case might be. So if you have these leagues set up for these youths and they have incentives, instead of them not have nothing to do on Saturday and most of the field them at Bay Grass there in Jamaica, you know, no youth not playing nothing. But if you can create these leagues under 12, under 16, based on each sports, you have channel where people support it. How many people, Jamaican people, international, who have so many big business would that donate soccer boots, jerseys, and all these stuff? How much people would pay $5 can access video through YouTube, Facebook, or even build an app to watch the parish leagues? Everything done transparent. So what if the government invests some money? Invest in some cameras, invest in some courses where can get the youth them for the on top of them graphic designing games, video editing games, right? We can see these youth training, we can see them growth. You know how many stars would be created? How many people will go fly down to go see a parish finals? Then we have the country finals where every parish compete for the ultimate trophy for the country. Think about how much people will tune in to see St. Thomas versus Hanover for the Jamaica Cup finals, and everything is being run by the people. Every dollar is being transparent. So all we might need is an initial investment from the government. Think about it, Minister of Sports or whoever it may concern. Hey, you put in 14 parishes and you put in 14 million US. After a while, you take back your money. I'm sure people will support enough ad revenue would be generated across all social medias, all donations. So I'm gonna go down and get back on the money anyways. I'm gonna have tourists. I'm gonna be more booming because enough people are gonna fly down to go see, cause them follow the journey of the youth them from them a train. From them be recruited, you get the fans involved in some type of voting system, something. But let's get creative, man. Just think about the millions of merch could get sold. Everybody wearing them parish jersey in England, Canada, UK, whichever team them support him, whichever sports. Yeah, you have your St. Anne's jersey, your St. Mary's jersey, your Portland jersey, your Manchester jersey. Come on, man. We need youths them for do something to occupy their mind. They probably will be less killing, less scamming. Because if big match a play where they know 20, 30,000 Jamaican watching worldwide live on YouTube, wherever the case might be. Instead of them out to do bad, them probably go out and do good. What if there's enough money coming in where these youths every week they could get like 10,000 Jamaican dollar each as a stipend or whatever the case might be. Something they would look forward to and compete to, since we like competition and we like compete. Let's show it on the world stage and monetize it. Can't, enough links to def can keep big stage show for each parish channel. Hey, let's come Popcorn, I represent Portland. Let's come in, my perform, donate, go support the field. Let's be creative, try something new.